Hey everyone! Welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. 11 great Amazon gadgets and innovation videos like we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm, or I'll share my top 11 gadget tips to make your home more efficient and kitchen beautified. So let's start the video.
The Musicozy Sleep headphones offer an excellent blend of comfort and sound quality, making them ideal for a peaceful night's sleep. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, they ensure a stable connection and crystal-clear audio. The ultra-soft fabric and adjustable design fit comfortably, even for side sleepers. Perfect for those who want to drift off to their favorite tunes without any discomfort.
The stainless steel pepper core remover is a must-have kitchen tool for effortless pepper preparation. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while the ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip. With this tool, coring peppers becomes quick and mess-free, saving valuable time in meal preparation. Perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs, it's a reliable addition to any kitchen.
The 12-pack cord organizer for kitchen appliances is a must-have for any organized kitchen. These stick-on cord holders are durable, easy to apply, and keep your appliance cords neatly wrapped and out of the way. Ideal for managing clutter, they're a simple yet effective solution for maintaining a tidy countertop. Perfect for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen space with minimal effort.
'The iMuse 8-inch tortilla warmer in terracotta offers exceptional heat retention and durability for keeping tortillas warm and fresh. Its classic design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the sturdy construction ensures even heat distribution. Ideal for both home and professional use, this warmer enhances your dining experience with its functional and aesthetic appeal. A must-have for anyone serious about their tortilla game.
The SyncWire upgraded magnetic phone ring holder for MagSafe offers exceptional stability and convenience, securely attaching to your device with a powerful magnetic grip. Its sleek design complements modern smartphones while providing a comfortable ergonomic grip. The 360-degree rotation feature ensures versatile usage angles, enhancing both functionality and style. Ideal for everyday use, this ring holder enhances your phone experience with reliability and ease.
Monitor Stand Riser. The Monitor Stand Riser is a game changer for desk ergonomics, elevating screens to a comfortable eye level and reducing neck strain. Its sturdy construction and sleek design make it a practical and stylish addition to any workspace. With ample space underneath for storage, it optimizes desk organization. Easy to assemble and adjust, it's a must-have for productivity-focused professionals. Conditioner. The conditioner delivers exceptional hydration and smoothness, transforming hair from dry and frizzy to silky and manageable. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, it provides deep conditioning while maintaining volume and shine. Its pleasant fragrance lingers subtly, enhancing the overall grooming experience. Ideal for daily use, it ensures your hair remains healthy and vibrant.
The Taurus Coolify Cyber 2024 flagship neck air conditioner is a game-changer in personal cooling technology. Its sleek design and advanced cooling system deliver immediate relief, perfect for both outdoor activities and indoor use. With adjustable cooling levels and a long-lasting battery, it ensures comfort throughout the day. Ideal for anyone seeking a blend of innovation and convenience in portable cooling solutions.
The ultimate outdoor Bluetooth speaker is a standout gift for men who love adventure. With robust sound quality and a durable, weather-resistant design, It delivers crisp audio even in the toughest conditions. Its long battery life ensures hours of uninterrupted music, while the easy-to-use controls make it perfect for on-the-go use. Ideal for camping, hiking, or backyard gatherings, this speaker combines functionality with style.
The iRobot Roomba Combo i3 Plus 3574 offers a seamless blend of vacuuming and mopping, delivering exceptional cleaning efficiency. Its advanced navigation ensures thorough coverage, while the self-emptying feature adds convenience. Ideal for pet owners, it handles hair and debris with ease, a reliable choice for maintaining a spotless home.
The Samsung wireless charger offers seamless charging for all your Samsung devices with fast, efficient power delivery. Its sleek design complements any workspace, while the non-slip surface ensures your phone stays securely in place. This charger is both convenient and reliable, making it an essential accessory for on-the-go professionals. Experience effortless, cable-free charging with Samsung's trusted technology.
The electric warming tray offers full-surface heating, ensuring even warmth across all your dishes. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any setting, while the adjustable temperature control provides versatile use. Ideal for both home and professional environments, this tray is a reliable addition to any gathering. Highly recommended for maintaining perfect serving temperatures.
The cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speaker is a versatile and practical addition to any workspace. The integrated Bluetooth speaker delivers clear, rich sound, enhancing both calls and media playback. Its sturdy anti-slip base ensures stability, making it ideal for hands-free use. A must-have for those seeking convenience and quality in one sleek package.